For 35 years, Sage Mountain Botanical Sanctuary has connected people, plants, and planet, providing opportunities for connection, inspiration, and growth. 5 years ago, Sage Mountain became a nonprofit to carry on Rosemary Gladstar's legacy of conservation, education, and healing through wildlife advocacy, botanical research, on-site programs, private retreats, and most recently, after-school and summer camp outdoor education programs for the area's low-income and at-risk youth. On July 10th, Vermont was struck by a 1,000-year flash flood, devastating regions across the state. The earth called us to pay attention, reminding us in this moment of her strength and the dire conditions of the climate crisis. Suddenly that night, the road leading to Sage Mountain turned into a raging river, cutting off the sanctuary from access to the rest of the world and forcing the cancellation of all of our revenue-generating programs. As the entire region works to rebuild, we invite the support of our greater community to help us sustain and reopen the sanctuary. If you have been touched by the wisdom of the plants, if you have heard the call of the earth in these forests, if you believe in the vision and the hope of the next generation of earth stewards, we invite you to make a tax-deductible contribution today. This is your mountain. This is your sanctuary.
Water, heal my body, heal my water, heal my soul. When I go down to the water, by the water, I feel whole. Water, heal my body, water, heal my soul. When I go down to the water, by the water, I feel whole. Water, heal my body, water, heal my soul. When I go down to the water, by the water, I feel whole. When I go down to the water, by the water, I feel whole.